My name is Dr. Folayinka Dania, and I'm the Chief Resilience Officer and CEO of the Lagos State Resilience Office. So it's been an exciting 6 days. The students have been excited about the workshops. They've learned a lot about urban resilience, personal resilience. Many of them have shared with us how their lives have been impacted by these workshops and how they are going back to tell their classmates, their neighbors, their parents about the things that they've learned and how they can improve the resilience of Lagos.
We learned that we should always learn to conquer our fears.
In Lagos State, we faced a lot of challenges like the COVID-19, and we're able to move through it and we overcome it.
One of the things that you need to be resilient is that you need to be resourceful. That means you have to know what you have to fix that problem. Also, you have to be reflective.
As we can't be talking about improving the flooding issue in Lagos State or improving flood management without actually talking to the people. And we believe that children are change agents. They're the ones who will hold their parents accountable, as in for doing things the wrong way. For instance, if we expect that if a child sees his mother or father pouring waste in the drains, he can say, "Mommy, stop it." As in, that is not correct. As in, Lagos State government has told us that this worsens flooding in Lagos.
The program has really been impactful on the students because they really gained a lot. They've learned that despite the stress and the challenges of Lagos State, they can still cope and still come out better and be purposeful and impactful to their society.
It's not only the students I've learned because I was there, I've also learned so many things.
Thank you, Lagos State government, thank you, LASHO, and thank you to the partners that were in cooperation in doing this event.
So the slogan for this workshop has been, "I am resilient, I can do it."